I am Dr. Vasant Bhanushari. I have done MBBS and then I have done MD in preventive medicine. Basically, I was having a chronic backache since last 12 years because of accidental injury. And I have tried so many things for my low back pain because of the sacralization of lumbar vertebra. It was on and off, and it was particularly affected by climatic changes. I have tried so many allopathic medicine for my problem, but I was having too much faith in alternative medicine, particularly naturopathy and this chiropractic practices which Dr. Kishore Punjabi is doing here. I have heard about him 2 years back, but I was not having enough time because I was so busy with my general practice. I couldn't find time for myself. This is the common picture of a person living in a city like Mumbai. What I feel, allopathic medicine certainly help you for short-term recovery, but for a long-term remedy, I think this kind of things should be done for each and every person. And because these are this musculoskeletal problem, as a allopathy doctor, what I feel, most of the problem are psychosomatic. Psych means mind and soma means body. Mind affecting your body. And our present system of medicine is unilateral. We can say it's only we are focusing only on body. We are not focusing on our mind. So this what I find here, they are focusing on all the four-dimensional, because health defined by WHO, World Health Organization, health is the complete state of physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So what do you mean by the social as well as usually mental health? So what I think, Dr. Punjabi interacts very well with the patients, and he comes out with their mental setup and what they feel at home, what they feel at workplace, and he with the continuous interaction, he finds out what are the problem with their family, what are the problem with their workplace, and he guides accordingly. I think that is the important thing. This is a holistic approach. What I feel is the best thing for this kind of problem, because the musculoskeletal problem, the painkiller is not the solution for musculoskeletal problem. Stretching exercise as well as this naturopathic healing which is giving are the best thing as per my suggestion. And when you are happy, there are so many hormones which are released in your body which are known as endorphins. The strongest painkiller in the earth is morphine, and endorphins are 100 times more potent than this morphine. So endorphins are released in our blood when we are happy, and this is the particular, I say, it is the best platform to make you happy. Okay. So I think now what I am feeling during a day-to-day practice, I am finding so many patients at the younger age. They are coming with the low back pain, with the frozen shoulder, with the sciatic pain, with the thigh heaviness in the thighs. These are all the musculoskeletal problems which I was referring. So what I feel, once they depend on painkiller, they will become more and more taking painkillers, and that will damage their liver and kidneys, because nowadays everyone wants relief pain within one day. So they opt for strong painkillers, and because most of the painkillers available with the chemists, they even don't consult their doctor and they directly go for these painkillers. I think this is the most harming thing. We are getting so many chronic kidney disease at the very younger age because of this chronic painkiller which patients are taking. So what I suggest, the first option for this kind of problem should not be the allopathy medicine, the painkiller. Okay, SOS means when pain is very much, you can take some time, but commonly you should I think opt for this kind of things. This is what my suggestion for all of the my dear friends who are listening to me.
Thank you so much.